Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Office out on Slack. Now, you might be busy or you might not be available to your workers or colleagues. For that moment, you can set your Slack to Office out. Now, to do that, what you have to do is just simply go ahead and open up the Slack software, or you can even open up the Slack browser version. Then just sign in, and after signing in, just open up any of the workspace. I'm gonna select this one. Then just give it some time. And you might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. And after 2 seconds, the Slack workspace will load fully. And after the workspace loads, you're gonna find many options over here. You're gonna see every single channel in the workspace. You're gonna see everybody who's in the workspace and obviously all of the messages. And on the left hand side, you got the workspace details over here, home, your personal DMs, activity, files, later, and more. And under this, you got a create workspace button. And just below that, you got my profile. Now you have to click on my profile. And from here, you're gonna find update your status. You can customize your status using this. But just below that, you're gonna say set yourself as away. This is basically set out of office status. If you just select this, it's gonna show you that you're away. And your employees or colleagues are gonna know that you're not available at the moment. This is gonna help you a lot. And basically that is how to set Office Out status on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.